RapNet XL brings the power and functionality of RapNet to Microsoft Excel. To download the add-on, click on RapNet XL in the menu, click Download, and install the program on your PC. Please note that RapNet XL is only compatible with Microsoft Excel 2010 and higher, and is not compatible with Apple Mac. Now when you open a new spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel, you'll see a tab in your toolbar called RapNet XL. To update RapNet XL with the latest Rappaport prices, or to upload diamonds to RapNet, you'll need to log in using your RapNet username and password. View the Rappaport price lists in Excel. Use the price worksheet to quickly calculate prices and discounts for diamonds and set up diamond demands or offers that can be emailed to clients. Begin by creating a new price worksheet. Enter your diamonds data or cut and paste from an existing Excel file, and compare to the best and average prices on RapNet for that category of diamond. In the diamond upload section, you can create a new stock file, or edit your existing stock file saved on your computer, or download your existing inventory from RapNet. Use fill-in Rappaport prices to calculate discounts of dollar per carat prices for your diamonds. You can also turn on Auto Wrap Price to have prices automatically calculated as you enter or update diamond data on your stock file. And upload to RapNet, with the option to add and update your current listings or replace all. You can also view and filter all live buy requests. There are some handy shortcuts for searching diamonds and managing your files on RapNet. In Settings, you can change the default fill-in price settings by selecting either change prices per carat and keep discounts the same, or change discounts and keep price per carat the same. You also have the choice to use 5 carat price instead of the 10 carat price list for calculations in price worksheet. To save changes, click Apply and then OK.